Hello and good evening. This is Technical Indicator from iHub's Penny Stock Express. You can watch this video in high definition. Just expand and select 720p in your YouTube settings just below the chart. I'm going to put SMMT on a potential breakout alert for tomorrow morning. Did about 15 million shares traded in the final 30 minutes, so something's up here. That was about 1/3 of the day's volume. To confirm that it could break out, you'll need the TI trading tip, 1, 2, or 5-minute daily chart. In addition to your level 2. If you don't have live information, then you're at a disadvantage to or against all the traders who do have live information. So make sure you're watching a 1, 2, or 5-minute to confirm, and that'll be all you need to tell whether or not it's going to break this 0076 resistance point or it's going to have some profit taking. All right, now let's look at the price action to confirm why I think that a breakout could be looming. You have a 5-day move right here and 2 days worth of pullback. Bottoms out at 0.0013. Look at the RSI, dips down to about the 70 line or just below, kind of holds that as support and turns back up. You have 3 days of run after that. Okay, now you have a doji here, which causes the RSI to dip down to about that 70 line again, and today was the first day of run. Essentially, this is Thursday right here. All right, increasing volume bar, so we're making higher highs in the volume category, and the stock stops bullishly right up against that top resistance point at 0.0076. So the close was 0.0073. Again, most of this occurred in the final 30 minutes of trading. So something is up here. Like I said, it's either going to bust hard to the upside or you're going to have profit taking. And you confirm it by watching live information at the market open. If it busts to the upside, then the reason I'm putting out an alert is because it's good trading opportunity for us. You can flip in and out of this because it's had good volume and it could get into blue sky territory, which means you'd need an intraday chart to mark your support and resistance points, essentially your buy-sell signals. So you've seen the price action. Let's look at my equity feed account real quick. Let's talk about this top resistance point here. So that's the last 2 days of trading action. Here's Thursday, here's Wednesday. See how it hit 0.0076 here on Wednesday and then pulled back. Now we moved up really hard in the last hour to that area, okay, 0.0073 to close. So your resistance is just ahead. If it gets above there, obviously it's a new territory. It could get very bullish. And look at the volume bars here, about 4 million shares traded here and about 10 million shares traded right here. So that's almost 15 million shares traded in the final 30 minutes, and it only did 44 million shares. I shouldn't say only, but it did 44 million shares, 1/3 of which traded in the final 30 minutes. Leads me to believe something is up. Like I said, leads me to believe that it's going to do a bullish break to the upside, or it's going to have some profit taking like it did here. All right, so what you want to do to confirm is have that 1-day chart, like I said, open. So here's 1 day, 1 minute. You could do 2 minute or 5 minute. All right, and what you're watching for is the candlesticks. See if they're bearish or bullish. And if it breaks above 0.0076, then have your level 2 open and see if that 0.0076 builds on the bid or if it's real thin. If it's real thin, then that means it could break but then pull back. If it starts to build, well, then you take the gamble. That's what stock trading is, all right? You use the information to your advantage and you take the gamble. And if it goes up, then obviously you look to take profit before resistance. So have that, intraday chart open, engage, and go from there. But I think this one has potential. The price action, all right, supports it because the last time we hit the 70 RSI or around it, it had 3 days worth of run. And today is just the first day. So day 2, if it repeats the pattern right here, could be a strong break to the upside. Again, my name is Technical Indicator. I'm putting this one on potential breakout alert. You will need live information to confirm, and hopefully it'll be a good trading opportunity for everybody. Right now, I do not have a position, nor was I paid to produce this video chart. Okay, and I am not an investment advisor, but I am considering trading this stock in the morning. I'll be looking at that live information like we talked about, and we'll go from there. Take it easy, everybody.